and you're gonna answer afterwards. Okay, Ken?
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello, good evening. Please turn on your video.
Yes.
Alright, please turn on your video. Alright, there you go. Ah.
Okay, Ken?
Hello, Pat. Hello.
And you're gonna speak.
Hello.
You're gonna answer something after.
Good evening.
Okay?
Good evening. All right. So listen. So for today, we are going to have, listen to teacher. We are going to have a new lesson. All right.
Are you ready?
Look at me. All right. Oh, so someone here is also having class with me. So if you didn't listen or heard me properly, tell teacher, okay? Because our place don't have electricity. That's why I am here. And someone is also having class here in this place. So listen carefully. If you can hear me, tell me. All right?
Okay, are you ready there?
Look at the Pat. Look at teacher.
Can you hear me?
Tell me, okay? Please tell me. All right. Now, let us start our lesson. I will share screen with you. All right. I will start. I will start.
Yes.
All right. Okay, there you go. Can you see my screen now? Can you see teacher's screen? Pat? Hello?
Yes.
All right, now we are going to start. So I want you to listen to teacher. All right, okay? Listen to teacher and look at me. All right? Where are you? All right. Okay, now, what lesson are we now? What lesson are we?
Lesson 31.T.
All right, very good. Lesson 31.3, and that is, what's it? Clothes. Yes, we are not yet done with clothes. Now, here, let's have a review. All right, let's have a review. Please read the names of the clothes that I am showing to you. What is this? What is this? This one. Please read, Pat. What's this? What's the dress? Good. This one. What is this? What is this? Oh, sorry.
Socks.
Socks. Good. How about this one? What is this? This t-shirt. Good. How about this? What is this also? Trousers. And this one? This is? This is? Hello. What is this? This one.
Shorts.
Shorts. Good. Next. I want you to read. I will ask you to read something, okay? Please read. All right. Pat, look at teacher. Look at teacher. Can you see teacher's screen? Look at there.
Yes.
Can you see? Please read the conversation. Read, okay?
These trousers, mask, and this coat. They nice. They are nice.
There. Again. It's very nice.
They are nice.
Good. How about this one?
I like these trousers, Mom. Oh, mask. They are orange.
All right. There.
They are
Orange.
orange.
Good.
Oh, your trousers, your orange.
Okay, listen, okay? Teacher will read it for you and I will ask you to read it again because teacher wants you to say it correctly. All right?
Yes.
All right. Now here, look at these trousers. Max. The name of the boy is Max.
Max.
And this coat too. They're nice. You will say this, they're, not they are. It should be they're nice. And I like these trousers, Mom. So maybe this is the mother. Oh, Mom. Oh, Max. They're orange. They're orange. All your trousers are orange. All right. Please read 1 and 2 again. Come on, go. Please read. Look, go. Look at Pat. Read the
Look
one.
at these trousers, mask, and this coat. They're nice.
Next.
I like these trousers, Mom. Oh, mask. They're orange.
All.
All new trousers are orange.
Very good. Very good. Next. Next. We're not yet done. We are not yet done.
These socks and this t-shirt. They are they're orange too, but I like orange. Mom, it's my
Favorite
favorite
color. Oh, you say this. It's.
Yes, it's
Okay. Orange.
orange.
Orange. Okay. Please read again. Again. This one. And I like. Start. And I like. Read.
I like these socks and this t-shirt. They're orange too. But I like orange. Mom, it's my favorite color.
There you go. Very good. Listen carefully. All right. Now next. Here we go. Okay. All right. Please read also 5 and 6. All right. Read.
Must try on this blue t-shirt and this green trousers. Blue and green are nice color too, but more orange is my football team's color.
Right. All right. Very good. So teacher will read again. Again, teacher will read. Max, try on this blue t-shirt and green trousers. Blue and green are nice colors too. But mom, orange is my football team's color. Very good. You read it properly. Now next. All right. So we are going to do, sorry. So we are going to do an activity. Look at here. Please read the instruction. This one. Read. Come on, go. Read again. Read. Please read. Pat, read.
Again, circle the
Wrong
wrong word
word and right correct word. Okay, so here number 1 is already given. Max is a girl. All right, girl is the wrong word here because Max is a boy. Yes, very good. Max is a boy. Now number 2. Please read number 2. Please read number 2. Pat, look at the screen. Number 2. Please read.
Max cardigan orange.
Right. All Max cardigans are orange. Now, what word here is wrong? Again, what is wrong here? All Max cardigans are orange. What is wrong? The word?
Cardigan.
Cardigans. Yes, cardigans is wrong. What is the correct answer? What's the answer? All right. It is what? What are the clothes that are orange? It is? It is? Throw? Sirs. Very good. Let's try to check. Very good, Pat. Good job. Next, number 3. Please read number 3. Read. Go. Number 3. Please.
Max favorite color is green.
Favorite color is green. What word is wrong? Wrong. Green. All right, let's check. Why it's green? What is the favorite? Orange. Yes, good job. Now next. There you go. Look at here. I will ask you to listen. Okay? There is a video. All right? Video. And you will listen. Look at here. You will listen to this, okay? Okay, listen to this. Watch. Pat, look at teacher. Look
Yes.
at teacher. Okay, watch this one.
A rocket, okay. What else? A moon, okay. How about here? Okay, a planet.
Did you hear the sound, Pat?
Yes.
Okay, now again.
Okay, they are all
What colour are these trousers? They're pink.
Okay, what's the color of the trousers? What's the color of the trousers? Pink. Very good. Okay, next.
Colour is this coat? It's red.
All right. What is the color of the coat? Color of the coat is
It's red.
red. How about the trousers? What's the color of the trousers? Trousers color, what is it? Pat, look at teacher. What's the color of the trousers that I ask you to listen? Trousers, what is the color?
It's pink.
Yes, pink. Very good. How about the coat? What is the color?
It's red.
Red. Very good. Now, next. What are these trousers?
What colour are these trousers? They're pink. What colour is this coat? It's red.
Okay, so that was the short video that I asked you. Okay, it's always okay. Here, look at here. Look at here. Look at here. So, ask and answer. Okay, ask and answers. So, if you will be asked, look at here, Pat. Look at here. Now, what color are these trousers? Pat, what color are these trousers?
They are pink.
Pink. Very good. They are pink. Now, what color is this coat? What color is this coat? Pat, what color is this coat?
I'll end for about the Zoom.
This one. Hello, Pat. What color is this coat? Color it's
It's red.
red. Good job. Red. All right. This one. Look at here. Now, tell me. Look at here. Look at teacher. Teacher's here. All right. Now here. Tell me the first letter of the word. First letter. Okay? First letter. Okay, number 1. This is a cat. Cat starts with letter. What letter?
C.
C. Let's try to check if it's C. Let's try to check. All right. Very good. Now, next. How about this thing? This is a ruler. What is the what color? No. What is the first letter of the word ruler? Letter?
R.
R. Let's try. Good job. Letter R. And how about this thing? What is this? Do you know what is this? Do you know what's this? This is a?
Sofa.
Oh, sofa. Okay, sofa starts with letter
S.
S. Good job. Let's try. Good job. Now, how about this toy? This is what? This is what? What is this? This
Teddy
is
bear.
teddy bear. So, what letter starts with the word teddy bear?
G.
Letter T. Let's try. Good job. Very good. How about this one? What is this? What is this? This is a
I.
kite. What letter is the start of the word kite? What letter? Letter
T.
K. All right. Very good. Next. How about this animal? What letter is the start of the word
Lion.
lion? Letter? What letter?
L.
L. Let's try. All right. Very good. How about this thing? What is this? What is this? This is a... What is this? An
Umbrella.
umbrella. What is the start of the word umbrella? Letter U. Let's try. Good job. Very good. How about this one? On the head of the girl. What is this?
Hat.
Hat. Starts with letter. What letter? This one. Hat. Letter. Letter.
H.
All right. H. Very good. Oh, sorry. How about this one? This is the mother. Mother starts with letter M. Good job. How about this one? What kind of vehicle is this? What is this? It has a wheel. What is this?
Van.
A van. Starts with letter. What letter? Van. Letter.
V.
V. Let's check. Good job. How about this animal? What animal is this?
Zebra.
Zebra. What is the first letter of the word zebra? Letter.
Z.
Z. Good job. Very good. All right. Wait. Okay. Since I know that you are very good to that lesson, we will proceed to another lesson. We are now in 32.1. All right. 32.1. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen? Yes, very good. So fast. That's why I prepared another lesson. So for today, we will be at what lesson? What lesson are we?
Lesson 32.1.
What is the title of 32.1 lesson? Fruits. Do you like fruits?
Yes.
Yes, I like fruits. Teacher also loves to eat fruits. Now here. All right. Vocabulary. Okay, there you go. What is this fruit? This fruit. What is this fruit? What fruit is this?
Orange.
Orange. Next. How about this one? What is this?
Apple.
Apple. How about this word? What is this?
Banana.
Banana. So easy. Banana. So what are the three fruits that I asked you to read? What's the first one? What is this?
Orange.
Orange. Orange. Again?
Orange.
Oh, very good. This one. Good job, Blue Pat. I like it. What's this? What?
Apple.
Apple. The third word, what we have here is the what is banana, right? Okay, how about this? Do you know what is this?
Lemon.
Lemon.
How about the second one? What is this? Second one. Do you know this? This is what we called as
Peach.
what is that? Again? Peach. How about this one? Do you know this fruit here? Do you know this? Do you know this kind of fruit?
Yes, I don't know.
Oh no, I don't know.
Plum.
It's a plum. What is this?
Plum.
Can you
Plum.
please read again? Very good. What is this again? What's this?
Lemon.
Okay, this one. Peach. This one. Plum. Good. Next. What have you got? If someone will ask you, what have you got? You will say, I've. This one. I've. Please read.
Got an apple.
Oh, it's an
I haven't got peach.
What's this? I've got an orange. This one. I haven't got peaches. Again?
I haven't got peaches.
All right. I haven't got peaches. Oh, now here. Oh, so easy. Add one out. Okay. So what word here is not an apple? Okay. What's this? Please read. What's this? Orange. Go. Orange. Please read.
Orange.
This one. What is this? Uniform. This one. What is
Lemon.
lemon? Okay. Orange, uniform, lemon. Which is not a fruit. Not a fruit. Oh, let's try to check if your answer is correct. Very good. Good job. Now, number two. Please read. Number two. Please read. What is this? What? Shirt. How about this one? What is this? Banana. This one. peach. All right. Shirt, banana, peach. Which is not a fruit.
What part of the body is that?
Not a fruit.
Shirt.
Shirt. Let's try to check. Ah, good job again. Ay, sorry. Now, number 3. Look at number 3. What is this?
One of the planet is
What is
not
this, number
the
3?
other two.
Please
The planet
read
is
number
one is
3.
another
Go.
Plum. Pants. Banana.
Right. Which is not a fruit? Plum, pants, or banana? Not a fruit.
You're comparing
What's the answer in number 3? Look at here, Pat. Okay, which is not a fruit in number 3? Plum, pants, banana.
Can you compare this planet
But where?
to this planet?
Which is not a fruit?
Plum.
Are you plum, pants, banana? Not a fruit.
Compare this planet to the other planet.
Pants.
Pants. Let's try to check. Very good. Good job. Good job. Now, number 4. 4. Please read number 4. All right, number 4. Please read number 4. Go.
Apple. Shut.
Right. Peach, apple, short, which is not a fruit.
Shut.
Short. Let's try to check. Good job. Very good. Now, number 5. Let's try to read number 5. Go. Read number 5. What is this? What is this? Go. Read.
Orange.
This one. What is sweater?
Apple.
Apple, which is not a fruit. Not a fruit. Which is not a fruit. Orange, sweater, or apple.
Under the racket. You see something?
Hello, what's the answer? Number 5. Orange, sweater. Let's try to check if it's a sweater. Good job again. Very good. Now here. Look at here. Tell me what number is the picture that is the answer. Okay? Tell me. Okay. Number 1, banana. What number is banana? 1, 2, or 3?
What?
1. Let's try to check 1. Very good. Now, number 2. What number is lemon? Where is lemon?
3.
3. Let's try to check 3. Good job. Right. There. Now, next. Where is orange? 1, 2. Let's try. Very good. Now, number 4, peach. Where is peach? Where is peach? Number? Again? Number? 2. Oh, right. Let's check. Very good. Perfect. You got it all. Now, next. Oh, there. Okay. What is the name of the fruit in the picture? What is this? Lemon, or orange? What is number 1? Is this a lemon?
Lemon.
Lemon. Let's try to check. Good job. Very good. Next, number 2. What is this? Banana or plum?
Plum.
Plum. Let's try to check. Good job. Plum. That is a plum. How about number 3? Banana or peach?
Banana.
Banana. Let's try. Good job. Very good. Now, number 4. What is this? Apple or plum?
Apple.
Apple. Let's try. Good job. Very good. Very good. Now, next. Let's go to the next. Okay. Look at here. I've got bananas. Where is the bananas? 1, 2, or 3?
3.
What number again?
3.
3. Let's try. Very easy. Number 3. Very good. Next, this one. I haven't got an orange. Haven't means not an orange. 1, 2, or 3? Haven't means not. 1, 2, or 3? Not an orange. Haven't.
3.
What number again?
2.
Are you sure it's number 2? Not orange. Not orange.
3.
3? Are you sure? 3? What's your answer? Again, last chance. 1, 2, or 3? Not an orange. Number
1.
1. Let's try number 1. Said the picture here, I haven't got an orange. It should be this one. So there is something wrong in here. Your answer is correct. This one has a mistake here. Haven't got an orange, meaning not. You don't have orange. This one. Next, number 3. I've got a peach. So where is peach here? 1 or 2?
1.
Let's try. Good job, Pat. Very good. Now here, I've got plums. I've got plums. 1 or 2? 1 or 2?
2.
2. Let's try. Very good. Very good. All right, there you go. What is this? Lime or lemon? Lime or lemon? What is
Lemon.
this? Lemon. Let's try. It's not lemon. It is? What's this? Lime. It's okay because it's a bit confusing because they're somewhat the same. Now this one, what is this? Peach or peaches? Many. Peach or peaches?
Peaches.
Peaches. Let's try. Very good. Good job, Pat. Very good. Next, what is this? Bananas or a banana?
A banana.
Banana. Very good again. Next. Look at this. Plum or peach?
Plum.
Plum. Let's try. Very good. Very good. There. Lime or orange? Lime.
Orange.
Orange. Very good again. In fruit.
Goodbye, see you again. Goodbye.
All right. So that is the end of our this evening. So what are the fruits that we talk about today? What are the fruits? What are the fruits?
Lemon.
Lemon. What else? Apple.
Apple.
What else?
Orange.
Orange. What else? Louder.
Peach.
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 What else? Very good. Good job. What else?
And plum.
Again? Plum.
Plum.
Very good. What else? You still have more? Oh, so
Banana.
banana. So very good. You said the 6 fruits that we talked about a while ago. And thank you for listening to teacher. Did you understand? Did you understand? Yes. You will say, I am smart. Ah, yes. So, thank you for listening, teacher, and good night. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you. So, see you on Wednesday. Bye-bye.